From orbit, the whole Earth buzzes with electricity. Astronauts are often amazed by the intensity of the electrical storms raging far beneath them.
You can see 1,000 miles worth of lightning flashes left and right as you're looking down. And they seem to set each other off like fireworks, bang, 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 bang. It's really quite amazing.
But to understand lightning's global impact, we need more than just observation. NASA's TRIM satellite carries a high-speed camera that can detect individual lightning bolts. From this information, it's possible to build a picture showing the distribution of lightning all across the globe. Astonishingly, 40 strikes occur every second. That's more than 3 million strikes a day. So how is all this lightning created? And what is the effect of all this energy streaking through the Earth's atmosphere? Each day, the combined force of sunlight and water vapor creates 40,000 thunderclouds. The rising columns of moist air generate powerful updrafts that turn water vapor into ice particles inside the clouds. As ice and water droplets smash into each other at great speed, vast charges of static electricity build up. An average thundercloud contains enough energy to power a city the size of Denver for 10 hours. Eventually, the charge builds to a point where air molecules are torn apart and a lightning bolt is born. A bolt is no thicker than a human thumb, yet it's 5 times the temperature of the surface of the sun. As it burns through the atmosphere, the electricity breaks apart the molecules of nitrogen contained in the air.
A lightning stroke, it actually splits the nitrogen into single nitrogen molecules. Nitrogen doesn't like that. It's desperately looking for something to connect back to with, and it often does it with oxygen.
When oxygen bonds with nitrogen, it creates a vital nutrient called nitrate. Satellites show the extent of nitrate, simulated here in yellow, produced by the more than 3 million lightning bolts that strike every day. This creates about 13,000 tons of nitrate. It dissolves in water droplets in the clouds and falls to the ground in rain.
Most people are familiar with nitrates because they're fertilizers. So when it rains in the thunderstorm, in a way you're getting a free fertilizing because the water will have nitrates in it.
Nitrate is absorbed through the roots of plants and enters the food chain. When we eat these plants, the nitrates become available to us. And so this vital nutrient enters the cells of every living organism on Earth, where it is critical for building the structure of plants and helps make proteins and DNA in our bodies as well. It is essential for the survival of all living things.